Hello, friends. This positive self talk, the best time to do is the first thing in the morning and the just before you go to the bed. And if it's not possible, then make sure you repeat at the same time every day. So let's begin. I am confident and comfortable with whom I am. I'm attractive and desirable. I'm worthy of love and respect. Every experience in dating make me aware what I want and don't want in a relationship. My obstacles are moving out of my way and more opportunity for dating are coming up. I'm okay with my single status rather feeling burden or compromise. I begin each day with gratitude and positive outlook.